In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty deleted items automatically in Outlook. If your mailbox fills up quickly, or you're tired of manually clearing the deleted items folder, this setting will save you time and help keep things tidy. I'll walk you through the exact clicks in Outlook on the web and explain what each choice means so you can turn it on with confidence. Start on your Outlook homepage, look toward the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a quick settings pane where you can adjust how your mailbox behaves. If your toolbar looks compact, expand it so the gear is visible. The setting we need lives in the deeper mail options, so we'll head there next. Inside the settings pane, select Mail. This takes you to the full set of mail options, organized by categories down the left side. These options control everything from your layout to rules and cleanup behaviors, and will focus on the area that handles how messages are processed. In the mail options, choose Message Handling. This section governs what Outlook does when you move, delete, or act on messages. It's the right place to enable automatic cleanup of your deleted items, so your mailbox doesn't accumulate clutter over time. At the top of Message Handling, check the box labeled Empty My Deleted Items folder. Turning this on instructs Outlook to automatically clear anything sitting in the Deleted Items folder, helping you keep storage under control and your mailbox responsive. Keep in mind that once items are emptied from deleted items, they're not meant to be kept as a backup. If there's anything you might need later, consider moving it to archive or a saved folder before enabling this. Depending on your organization's policies, there may be short-term recovery options, but you shouldn't rely on them. After you've checked the box, click Save. That's the final step, and it applies the change to your account. From now on, deleted items will be cleared automatically according to Outlook's handling behavior, so you won't need to remember to empty it yourself. If you ever change your mind, return to the same message handling section, uncheck the box, and save again. Also note that business or school accounts may have retention rules set by an administrator, which can influence how and when items are purged. That's all it takes. With this setting enabled, your mailbox stays cleaner, you reduce storage bloat, and you can focus on the messages that matter. Thanks for watching and enjoy a lighter, faster Outlook.